To Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. My name Mr. Hardesh Kumar. Today we will discuss about the embedded system. What is an embedded system? An embedded system is one that has computer hardware with software embedding in it as one of its components. Or we can define an embedded system as a microprocessor based system. Microprocessor is a programmable integrated circuit chip. What does not? That does not look like a computer. Or we can say that it is a combination of computer hardware and software and perhaps additional mechanical or other parts designed to perform a dedicated function. In some cases, embedded systems are part of a larger system or product as is the case of an anti-lock braking system in a car. Embedded systems एक basically computer hardware and software system. Embedded system basically dependent of microprocessor and microcontroller. Two part hardware and software. Embedded systems, hardware and software, it as one of its important components. Hardware portion IC and software embeds in ROM. Read only memory, it does not need secondary memory as in a computer. The embedded system is one that has computer hardware with software embedded in it as one of its important components. This is the hardware. Programmable integrated circuit, IC. IC, we program software programs include this value. Use delay clock. Byte port B equal to 6. Main loop set trace bit. Port B 255. Delay MS 1000. Port B 0 into 55. Hexadecimal. This is the binary, decimal, octal. Port B this value and delay this value 500 and many more milliseconds value 500, 5000 and more. So this portion is a programmable software programs. This software program store in the hardware. So software and hardware we combine of the embedded systems. Embedded system everywhere. Embedded system span all aspects of modern life and there are many examples of their use. Biomedical instrumentation, ECG recorder, blood cell recorder, patient monitor systems, communication system, pager, cell phone, cable, TV terminals, fax and transceiver, video game and so on. peripheral control of a computer keyboard controller, DRAM, direct random access memory controller, DMA controller, direct memory access controller. DMA is the two type, hold and HLD. Printer control, local area network control, disk drive control. This type is the peripheral control of a computer, and this communication system, and this biomedical instruments. This type of instrument embedded system. Classification of embedded system. Type of embedded systems based on performance and functional requirement, and based on the performance of the microcontroller. Performance microprocessor, functional requirement, processing of the in all component, and this is the control of microcontroller. First of all, real time, standalone, network, mobile, small scale, mobile scale, and sophisticated. Types of embedded systems, रियल टाइम पे वर्क करता है, स्टैंड अलोन, नेटवर्क, मोबाइल, स्मॉल स्केल, मीडियम स्केल एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड. रियल टाइम एम्बेडेड सिस्टम. A system in which work has to be done in a specific time period. Hard real time. Missiles embedded with a tracking system. This is the tracking system. Soft real time. Aircraft. So all remote sensors and compact disk. So this work for real time embedded system. Standalone embedded system do not require a host system like a computer. It works by itself. It takes the input from the input ports, either analog or digital, and process, calculate and convert the data, and gives the resulting data through the connected device. Which either controls, drives, and display the connected devices. Means connected devices कंट्रोल है, ड्राइव्स है, डिस्प्ले है, ऑल कैलकुलेटर. This is the input port analog to digital process. Example, standalone embedded systems, MP3 player, digital camera, video game, microwave ovens, and temperature measurement system. TMS, temperature measurement system. This is the stand-alone embedded system. These type of embedded system are related to a network. This is the network embedded system, and this mobile embedded system. The connected network can be local, wide area network, or the internet. Example, home security system, wherein all sensors are connected and run on the protocol TCP and IP. Mobile embedded system are used in portable embedded devices like cell phone. This is the like cell phone, mobile, digital camera, MP3 player and personal digital assistant. The basic limitation of these devices is the other resources and limitation of memory. This type of mobile network. Single 8-bit or 16-bit microcontroller, little hardware and software complexity. This is a small scale embedded system. Small scale embedded system, single 8-bit or 16-bit microcontroller. 8-bit microcontroller 8051. This type of microcontroller is used in the 8-bit microcontroller. 8051 Intel and 16-bit microcontroller be used of the ROM, RAM, little hardware and software complexity. They may even be battery operated. Usually C language is used for developing these systems. C programming, this is the software programming. The need to limit power dissipation when system is running continuously. Example, digital watch. Programming tool, editor, assembler and cross assembler. This is the small scale microcontroller. Single microcontroller which control of the microprocessor, 8-bit microprocessor 8085, 8086 is the 16-bit microcontroller. 8085 8-bit use and 8086 16-bit use. But difference, 8085 8 address bus and 8086 16 address bus. So 8085 8-bit microprocessor which connected of all processing and instructions are used only 8-bit. The data bus 8-bit and address bus AD8 to AD15 means 16. And hardware CD, camera, ghadi, watch. But this work for the real-time operating system, such as digital camera. Digital camera perceives for the human eyes and fixed location at a real time. These real time using of the C language develop these system. Programming tools, editor means edit करना, assembler assembling करना and cross assemblers, interpreter are more tool of programming. So this is the small scale embedded system, means small technology we work for this microcontroller. single or few 16 or 32 bit microcontroller or digital signal processing DSP. Data signal processor. Digital is a not repeatedly, not continuous signal, any message, any text processor means this डिजिटल एंड सिग्नल को प्रोसेस करता है, उसे हम डेटा सिग्नल प्रोसेसर बोलते हैं. और reduced instruction set computers. Risk. Both hardware and software complexity. Example, iPod. Programming tool, C language, C++, Java, real-time operating system, source code, engineering tools, simulator, debugger, and integrated development environmental. C language is a object-oriented language and high-level language. C++ object-oriented language and high-level language. Java, C again, C++ and Java. Three languages are object-oriented language and high-level. Real-time operating systems. This work for real time. Source code. Any microprocessor instructions with work for engineering tool, MATLAB. MATLAB we work for the simulator, debugger, and integrated development environment, IDE. This integrated development environmental work for DSP, digital signal processing. Integrated programmable chip. Integrated programmable environmental. All DSP component work with respect to of kit simulating. This is the small scale integrated technology. VLSI, ULSI, high level technology. USI, MSI, this is the medium scale integrated technology. LSI is the low scale integrated technology. Right? So high level language are used of the .NET and other more. This is the enormous hardware and software complexity which may need scalable processor or configuration process and programming logic array constantly by the processing speed available in their hardware unit. Example, washing machine. Programmable tools for these systems may not be readily available at a reasonable cost or may not be available at all. A compiler, a retrievable compiler might have to be developed for this. Sophisticated microcontroller system, it uses more than 32-bit microcontroller, hardware and software complexity, This is the hardware programming and software. This is the microcontroller. This type of the microcontroller. Such type washing machine. Washing machine is best example of sophisticated microcontroller. So programming tool work for real time and develop for this. Many more application, remote control, television, video game, refrigerator, set-top box, cars, planes, elevators, video games. This is the microcontroller example. Household appliance, microwave oven, television, DVD player and recorder, audio player, integrated system in aircraft and missiles. This is the embedded system. Cellular telephone, electric and electronics motor controller, engine controller in automatically, calculator, medical equipment, video games, digital music instrument. Means best example of embedded system, remote control. Remote control work for real time operating system. Television same, video game, elevators, planes, car, many more instrument work for car is the real time operating system. Set-top box, any music, any games, any videograph, any function work for the real time operating system. Refrigerator, automatic time set, automatic cool and hot system for refrigerator, elevators, video game and many more appliances. Microwave oven, television system, DVD player, recorder, audio player. This is the most example of embedded system. Integrated system in aircraft and missiles. Cellular telephones, electric and electronics motor controller. Electric and motor control work for the embedded system. Engine control in automobile. This is the work for embedded system. Calculator, both work, programming and hardware. This is the control for calculator. Medical equipment, MRI and many more medical equipment work for real time and embedded system. Washing machine, video games, digital music instrument. This is the most example of embedded system. Today, latest embedded system work for the fan, televisions, LED, LCD and many more. Wi-Fi protocol. This is the generally work for technology. Low technology, 16-bit, 32-bit and Wi-Fi. This is the local area network, wide area network, TCP and IP protocol. All work for the mobile embedded system and other resources and limitation of memory. This is generally work for embedded system. Thank you watching this video.